My name's Rob and my company is E2 Homes, and I really like to do renovations. I really like transformative projects where we get to put together puzzles and figure things out. And oftentimes when we open up the walls or ceilings, we find surprises. And oftentimes there's things that you definitely don't want to do during your renovation or construction project. Here's one example of what not to do when you're running plumbing. Don't cut through the floor joists or structural members.